Okay, in this particular question, we are asked to integrate 2 sine x from x equal to 0 to x equal to pi over 2. Solution, we are given the integral from 0 to pi over 2 of 2 sine x dx. So this is equal to 2 into differentiation of sine is cos, while integration of sine is minus cos. Okay, minus cos x. So I have my boundary from 0 to pi over 2. So this is set as what? Minus 2 cos x, having your boundary from 0 to pi over 2. So which is what? Bring the minus 2 outside, put the upper bound, that is cos pi over 2, minus, put the lower bound, cos 0. Okay? Now, don't forget that pi in mathematics means 1/8. Yes, pi is equal to 1/8. So therefore, pi over 2 is something as 180 divided by 2, which is what? 90. So I'm having minus 2 into what? Cos 90 minus cos 0. Somebody will say pi is equal to 22 over 7. Yes, pi is 22 over 7 when it is not in an angle. But if it's in an angle, it is 180. If it is cos this or sine this, sine pi, cos pi, tan pi, when you have it as an angle, is 180. But if it is standing alone without all these sine, cos, and the rest of them, it becomes 22 over 7 or approximately 3.142. Okay, so now this is equal to what? Minus 2 into cos 90 is 0, while cos 0 is 1. So this is now minus 2 into minus 1, which is giving us simply 2 as our result. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like our video, share, and subscribe. I hope it's clear. If you have any questions, drop it at the comment. Do this one as assignment for me. The integral from pi over 2 from 0. Just cos. Just do this one for me and tell me what the answer will be at the comment section. Bye-bye.